Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share a quick video with you guys with some ideas and some hopefully inspiration to get started with your journaling. This is for those of you that still are not sure what you want to do in your journals. You don't really have an idea how to get started, but I also have a tip that I'll give you at the end of the video, so I don't forget what I'm about to say now, that hopefully will really get you pushed out of your fear of getting started journaling. So I have shared many videos with you guys showing you my journals. There's been many different sizes, many different types of journals that I have used, and I love looking back at them. I love remembering the moments that I jotted down, and you guys have been so great at letting me know when you get inspired by something that I've shared with you guys. So the biggest thing that I can say to all of you that are starting and are not sure what you want to do is do what you love. And it sounds so easy and so basic, but it is just that. Figure out the things you like. Do you like to doodle? Do you like stickers? Do you like washi tapes? Do you like magazine cutouts? What is it that makes you want to do some type of journaling? And these are more creative journals, I would say, so they do have a creative aspect to them. Don't worry about what it looks like so much as what it makes you feel when you are, putting those pages together. Don't think about what it will look like at the end. Just do this for you. And I can't stress that enough, because a lot of people will watch one of my videos where I've shown you, a journal with me spread, and you tell me that you don't know how I made it look so nice, and you don't think that you could do something similar. Well, get started. I started somewhere, right? This is not something that I was doing a long time ago. I started just journaling, writing things down in my journals. That's really where it all began for me. And then I came into the junk journal world and started to see all the different ways that people are filling in their journals, and that's just what got me going. So, do that for yourself. Bring out that child in you. Play in your journals. Don't stress so much about what it's going to look like. Write your favorite quotes, do some doodling, add some, kind of flip outs and texture and things that, you'll want to go back to. Color in some pages, get some stickers going. I mean, just do what makes you happy, because there are no rules. And that is something I think a lot of people forget. They'll ask me, what am I supposed to use a journal for? How should I use a journal? There are no rules. This is supposed to be for you, what you enjoy, what you want to put out there, what you want to remember. And there's no perfection in a journal. It does not have to be perfect. I know that a lot of us get stuck seeing those Instagram posts that just have beautiful spreads and just beautiful supplies, and you're just looking at it thinking, oh, I wish I was that creative. I wish I had all those supplies that I could make my spread look so beautiful. Don't focus on things like that. Of course, admire it. Of course, be inspired by it. Of course, think, you would love to be able to do that, but you can't get to that spot if you don't get started, right? So this is what I'll be using for this year, or at least for January, I'm thinking, because it's a small journal. I decided to go with my elastic binding. I wanted a smaller journal than the ones I have used before. And I also wanted to have my flow pages, which means that all these pages can be taken out and I can add more pages in. So that is one of the things that I'm going to show you right now that you can get started with. It's so easy to do. Grab a cover, anything that you want for a cover. I also have some videos suggesting very easy covers that you can use to make a journal. I will link that video below. So get yourself anything that could be a good cover, and then get yourself an elastic band or some, ribbon or something that will hold your pages in. And then just start gathering whatever inspires you, pages that you like, pages that you think you might like, because these can come out or you can put them back in. And then just get started. Get started on your first page. Don't worry so much about it. Just enjoy the process. And I think that's one thing that that you should remember when you're working in your journals is enjoy the process. I think what gets a lot of people stuck, okay, and this is one of my tips for you. I think what gets a lot of you stuck is the thought of sharing it on social media. And I totally get that, okay? And I'm going to show you a couple of other journals right now. Do you guys remember my flip throughs of these journals? No, you don't. And I'll tell you why you don't. Because I don't have flip throughs of these journals. These are my private journals that I actually write in, and there's pages and pages and pages of writing. I do decorate some of them. I do doodle if I feel like it. I do get creative sometimes. But mostly it's just to vomit words. That's what I do in these ones. And this is just a little sample, you guys. I have many journals like that you guys don't see the inside of, because those are my private journals. I don't share that on Instagram. This is my Instagram journal. These have been my YouTube journals and Instagram journals, and I have many of those as well that I've shared with you guys. But my private journals you guys don't see, because those are my private thoughts. Those are pictures of my family, my friends, and maybe they don't want to be part of my social media. So I keep that to myself. This journal I did show you guys how to make a long time ago. I have a video showing you guys how I made this journal. I will link it below. It's my beginner junk journal. And I can't show you inside because, of course, I have since filled it with words and my own private thoughts, but you can see, and this was done such a long time ago, I can't believe it, this journal that I put together. And that is what has helped me journal and get myself going, is knowing that I have journals that I keep to myself, and then my creative journals that I enjoy sharing with you guys. These are the moments where I don't really have a lot to say, but I do have a lot of supplies that I might want to use, stickers, magazine cutouts, just different things that I want to play with. These are my my creative, my artsy journals. So I think a lot of you maybe had not started because you may have thought, well, I want to share, what I've done on my social media, but some of it is private. Well, you don't have to share your real, true, private, journaling. That's for you. You don't have to share that. But if you want to start what I like to call my social media journals, then, that gives you a different way of creating, because you can share that. You can open up a page and show what you've done in it. If you've got your little flip outs and things that you want to share with us, that's awesome. But you don't have to share your private thoughts if you don't feel comfortable. I know some people do. Some people share everything. They've got family pictures, they've got friends pictures, things that have happened, things that made them happy, sad, all that stuff. I only share my creative ones with you guys because those are the ones I think will inspire you. I don't think you need to hear about, issues that I'm having. We all have issues. We all have situations. We all have happy moments, sad moments, etc. But what I share with you guys is my inspiration moments, my moments where I'm thinking, I love that image. I love a journal that I finished. That one was sold and I want to keep, a memory of it because I won't hold it ever again. I miss you. Those are the things I share with you guys. Something that I have bought from someone that I want to keep that memory of. Something I received from someone that inspired me. Those are the things I share with you guys because I think that will hopefully inspire you to get started and do something. So I hope this helps. I'm going to start a series on my channel where I show you different ways of using your journals. I'll try and do this once a week. Let me know if you like that idea. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest, because I'm sharing these things everywhere with you guys. But if you are interested in that, I will start that for sure. I just, I want you guys to get started. Don't miss out. Don't enjoy the process. If it's just writing, write. If you want to create, create. If you want to combine both and you're good with that, go for it. But just get started. Don't hold back. Don't stop. 2020 is your year. You're going to get these things done in 2020. There's nothing stopping you from starting a journal and from writing or decorating or doodling or watercoloring or whatever it is that you want to try or love to do. So let me know, are you using a journal this year? And if so, what are you using this year? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to stop by and check out the rest of my video series where I'll be sharing how I use my journals, ideas on using your journals, and any questions, comments you have, please leave them below. Thank you so much for being part of my little crafting family. Oh my gosh, I am like close to 10,000 subscribers. What? I do a giveaway once a month as well. I just wanted to mention that. So I'm preparing my giveaway for this month. And that's to my subscribers, of course. And I read your comments. I appreciate your comments. I love your comments. I am so grateful to be part of this amazing community that shares the love of art, of crafts, of creating. And let's just support each other. Let's give each other some inspiration, and let's create a better world where we share the love of art. So I'll stop rambling. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.